Hey, Pete from Keep It Sharp. Another quick video here for my groomers on proper blade care. And now we see this as sharpeners a lot, and I'm if I offend anyone, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to. What I'm trying to get at is for you to get the longest life of your blade, long life for your cutting edge, and years of service for your clipper blade. Okay, so. Yay, here we go. Here's a clipper blade, okay? You're using it on your clipper. Okay. Um, Put it on, start it. I don't have the power to the things, but you start it, put your thing down. You start grooming your dog. Now what you really should be doing, ladies and gentlemen, is every 15 minutes, it should have been properly oiled when you started. Every 15 minutes, you should be taking your Cool Care spray, lube stuff. Don't let the lube on that fool you. It only puts a super thin layer on. So you don't use that as your lube for your blade, believe it or not. Just in between your 15 minutes, you can. Now, what I would say is, okay, 15 minutes spray. 15 minutes, at that point, spray and lube. Lube your blade, okay? Give it lube. In the teeth, in the guide, and continue on, okay? When you're finished with your blade, now, here we go. Two things I'd like to see you do, because all these things are going to help you, but I see it quite often. What I'm going to do here is throw in some pictures of what happens when you don't do this step. You finish, spray, at a minimum, spray it with your lube, cool spray, however you do that. What you really should be doing, though, is cleaning that blade. There's a couple ways to do it. There's stuff out there called H42, but then there's stuff I can get, but you can get directly from the Laube Clipper website. They have a Clipper Clean. They also sell what they call the Clipper Cradle. So you can pour a little of that in it. It's only about that big. It has a cap. You close it and you can kind of shake, wiggle your blade around in that solution, and what it does is it cleans the blade and it lubes it. At that point, you can take it out, just wipe off with a paper towel the excess, and you could literally let that blade sit. Now, what I would do at that point is pre-oil it. That way, if you forget the next time you start, okay? But really, before you start with the blade, you should oil it. Now, like I said, at a minimum, you hit it with your cool stuff. Okay, it's going to cool it off. Hopefully, it'll blow some of that hair out. But what that leaves, remember I said that thin oil, it's not good for like normal oiling of your clipper blades. But what it does there is it puts a coating of, and do that while it's running, it puts a coating of thin coat of oil so that you don't get, and now I'm going to throw in some pictures. There. I just had a couple there, but we see this all the time. All this rust. Your blade shouldn't be rusting. Rust means you're getting moisture somewhere. What I assume is maybe you're cutting on a wet dog, and then you take your blade off, don't do any cleaning of it, which means no oil whatsoever, and then that rust is forming, especially where you see it on the cutting section. So if you go to reuse that blade, you might think, oh, it'll wear off of there. Well, it's going to cut terrible at the beginning. It should. If it doesn't, you got to be getting some brown spots in the fur, okay? It's just not going to be good. It's probably not going to cut. It's going to cause it to go dull quicker if it hasn't already dulled it completely, because it can actually pit the metal and do some terrible things. So you really want to fight rust on these. Boy, do you. So do that with your blade and then put it back, and then you're going to keep shiny, clean blades ready to be used, okay? Like I said, when we start out with a blade, oil, put it on the thing. 15, I really think 10 minutes. I know I'm holding lube up, but I don't have a can of the spray cooler luber stuff, but 10 minutes, let's go with 10 minutes, little cool off, but it also puts a little bit of oil on. You should have some oil from when you began. Go along, another 10 to 15 minutes. If you go that long, give it another spray to clean it, but then put some oil. Put some oil on the oil spots. And like I say, the oil spots are up here on the comb, the rails back here. That actually needs it. A drop there, a drop on the other side, and then a little drop along. See, remember we have that, the guide right there. Now that can be different colors, white, black, blue, red. I've seen them all, but a little bit on that too. You want to keep that going, and I've seen them overheat and melt that. Another case where you've got to replace it, okay? You can do that yourself, or you can ask your sharpener. But this will keep your blades going long and doing you real good work. And the bottom line is to keep it sharp as long as possible, so you're not having to spend the money, and keep your blades working, because the rust can cause, premature breakdown, all kinds of craziness. So you don't want to do it. But I wanted to get that out there because I've had just some blades lately, and I said, I should do a care video. So have a great day. Let's just keep it sharp, and we'll talk to you later.